Welcome back to Naturalhub channel. Today, we're diving into an important and often overlooked topic: which vitamins can put a strain on your liver. Your liver is a vital organ responsible for metabolizing various substances, including vitamins. While most vitamins are beneficial in moderate doses, some can be hard on the liver when taken excessively. Let's explore these vitamins in more detail and understand how to maintain a healthy balance. First on our list is vitamin A. This fat-soluble vitamin is crucial for vision, immune function, and skin health. However, excessive intake, especially from supplements like retinol or high-dose beta-carotene, can lead to liver toxicity over time. It's important to get vitamin A primarily from foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Next, let's talk about vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin. It's essential for bone health, mood regulation, and immune function. However, megadoses of vitamin D supplements can accumulate in the liver and cause toxicity, affecting its function. It's best to get vitamin D through safe sun exposure and dietary sources like fatty fish and fortified foods. Another vitamin to be mindful of is vitamin E. As a potent antioxidant, it supports skin health, immune function, and cardiovascular health. However, high doses of vitamin E supplements can interfere with liver function and lead to complications. Focus on incorporating vitamin E-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils into your diet. Moving on to vitamin B3, also known as niacin. It's essential for energy production, proper circulation, and cardiovascular health. However, excessive niacin intake, particularly from supplements, can strain the liver and cause adverse effects. It's advisable to obtain niacin from natural sources like poultry, fish, and whole grains. Lastly, let's discuss vitamin C. It's famous for its immune-boosting properties, antioxidant benefits, and role in collagen production. While vitamin C is generally safe, extremely high doses taken regularly can overload the liver and lead to gastrointestinal issues. Focus on consuming vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers. In conclusion, while vitamins are essential for our health, it's crucial to get them primarily from a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. If you choose to take supplements, do so under the guidance of a healthcare professional and avoid excessive doses that could strain your liver. That wraps up today's video. Remember to prioritize your liver health by making informed choices about your vitamin intake. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.